Hello my friend, the machine is almost done, so I'm gonna introduce this function and teach you how to use it. Okay, so you can check we had already equipped with the pump under the tank to discharge and fit the material from the bottom, the rotor pump, diaphragm pump. Okay, and let's check the design under the platform. They have some pipes for steam heating. So this is steam generator. So we had put this two in under the platform. This is the pipes. This is for the steam and pure water in. This is the tap water. This is cooling water in, the cooling water out. This is the drain water. Okay, and they have some branch pipe. The drain water, for this pipe you can connect with a flexible pipe. Here connects here. Then if you clean your tank after your produce finish, you can let the dirty water comes out from this valve, then this valve. Okay, and this is condensate in. Sorry, this is cooling water in and condensate out. Okay, we had already put your language label on the pipes and on the control panel, so I think it's easy for your people to operate. Okay. For this tank, this one is equipped with mixing, homogenizing, and heating, and this one mixing but without the homogenizing. Okay, equipped with heating also, and this is the mixing, and this one 500 liter homogenizing, mixing, and heating also. Okay, so for this time I will teach you how to use each function. This is the control box. Okay, so after you get this machine, you need to connect with your factory power. Like here, this 3 plates need to connect with your factory power, and this blue wires need to connect with neutral wire, and this one connects with your factory ground wire. Okay, and there had a overload protector. This one, you can check this line. This time is turned into green. That means this 3 wire is connected in the right side. But if this line turn into red line, that means you need to change 2 of these 3 wires. Then when this line turn into green, that means you connect is the right. Okay, and also here they have some cables. You also need to connect it. Yes, you can check we had already put the number under the cable, so you just need to connect with the same number. Like this one 50 connects with 50, 60 with 60, 20 with 20, 21 and 21, 25, 25. Okay, other is the same, so you just connect with the same number. Okay, this is for the electricity power, and you can check they have each button for the function. Okay, now let's check this two-tone mixer firstly. This is the inside design, the homogenizing, the mixing paddle with Teflon scraper. Okay, and chilled CIP spreadboard. So here this you can connect with your pure water to clean your tank. Okay. Let's check the mixer 1. This is the mixing for this tank. Okay, so here you can turn on this grip 1 and use this inverter. Okay, now turn off. Please don't forget, if you want to turn off this mixing function, you need to turn off this inverter firstly, and then point this red button. And the next one is homogenizing. This is the homogenizing button control for this tank. Okay, here you can set the homogenizing time from this place here. So you can check, you can set the time into minute, hour, minute, hour, minute, and second. Okay, now this time and set 10 seconds for your reference. So when the homogenizing time arrives 10 seconds, this homogenizing function will start automatically. Okay, now let's check. Now turn on the homogenizing and this switch. Now it's stopped. You can check stop automatically, but don't forget to turn off this inverter. Okay, and here this button is for the rotor pump connect. Here, if you want to discharge your product, point this green button. Okay, and we can check. There has a plug. You need to connect with that one, and then point this green button. Then you can discharge your final product. Okay. Okay, now turn off, and let's check the mixer 2. The mixer 2. This is the button control the mixer 2, and use the inverter. Now turn off. Point this red button. And here this one is for the diaphragm pump, so it's same like the rotor pump. Point this one, and you need to make sure the pump is connected with your flexible pipe. Other place is connected here. This is pump in, and here is pump out. So if you want to discharge your final product, this discharge valve connects this pump in, and here this way pump out connects another flexible pipe and then connects with your storage tank. Okay, so this is for the diaphragm pump 2. Okay, now turn off, and let's check the high correction mixer. And this is for the mixing. And use the inverter also. Okay, now turn off. And this is for the diaphragm pump 3. Now point this green one and connect with the pump in with discharge. There will have a equipped with a discharge valve, and discharge valve connects with the flexible pipe and connects with the pump in. And here is pump out, connects with another flexible pipe with your storage tank. Okay. Now turn off. So this is for the mixing, homogenizing, and discharge. Now check the heating function. As your heating way is steam heating, so you will check there have several pipes under the platform. So here this two belts show the actual temperature about this tank 1 and this tank 2. Like this red number, it shows the actual temperature in the tank. Now if you want to use the steam heating, let's check the pipe valve. If you want to turn on this steam heating, you need to turn on this two valve, condensate water out firstly. Turn on this two valve firstly, and then turn on this valve. After 4 or 5 minutes, you need to turn off this valve. Turn off this valve, and please pay attention to the red number on the control panel. When the temperature is arrival what you need, you need to turn off this valve firstly, and then turn on this valve. And other side, if you want to cooling down your material in the tank, you need to turn on this cooling water out. Turn on this valve firstly, and then turn on this valve. Cooling water in. Turn on this valve. When the temperature is cooling down what you need to turn off this valve firstly, and then turn off this valve. Okay, so this is for the steam heating. And this one and this one is the same. Okay, this is for the steam heating. And let's check the 500-liter mixer. This is another small control box. So here is the same. This red number, it shows the actual temperature in the small tank inside. Okay. And this is for the mixing. Now, sorry, this is for the homogenizing. This is for the mixing. And here is for standby. So now check the mixing function. Okay, now turn off. Oh, sorry, this one. And check the homogenizing. Firstly, you need to set the homogenizing time. Okay, like set 90 seconds. Here, this small one can change like second, minute, hour, minute, second. Okay, now set 90 seconds for reference. And then turn on this homogenizing. When this time is around 90 seconds, this homogenizing function will start automatically. Okay, now it's stopped. Stop, but don't forget to turn off this inverter. Okay. Also, for this small control box, you also need to connect with the factory power. Here, this 3 wires need to connect with your factory power, and this blue wires connects with neutral wire, and here this one connects with the ground wire, and other is the send, like connects with the send number. 10 connects 10, 11 connects 11, 12 connects 12, 40, 40, 90, 90. Okay. Other is the send, just connects with the send number. Okay. And also there have some pipes for cleaning. You can check. This pipe is connected with the tap water, and you can connect with your tap water with a flexible pipe, then clean your tank first time. And the second time you need to connect with the pure water, like here connects with the pure water, as this way is connects with CIP spreadboard. Then you can use the pure water to clean the tank in the second time. Or if you need to add the water into the tank to produce, you also can connect with the pipe from here. Okay. Here is the sand. This one connects with the tap water, and here connects with the pure water. This is the pressure gauge. Other two tanks also have this gauge. This is the pressure gauge, and this is the safety valve. So this gauge, it can show the pressure into the jacket, and when the pressure is arrival the limited about this gauge, this safety valve will turn on automatically to release the pressure into the jacket to protect this jacket. And for safety consider, you also can turn on this valve by manually to check if it's okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Now I will teach you how to use this check valve. And for this pump, you need to connect with this plug. Connect here. Okay, and then put on the button on the control panel and point this green wire, then discharge. Okay, and also there had a check valve. You need to make sure the direction of the valve, and you can check this way. This way is the material in, and this way is material out. And this is the single way for the pump. So if you want to add the material into the tank from the bottom, you need to change the direction of this pump. Okay, and connects with the check valve. So here this way connects with your raw material, and then here this way is material out. So this way you need to connect with here with a flexible pipe, then let the raw material come in this way and come out this way and come into the tank from this way. Okay, so this is for the check valve for this pump. And there have a point you need to pay attention. If you need to discharge, this check valve need to take out. Just loosen this screw and take this part out, and here this way connects here. This check valve just move on this pump and then discharge. But don't forget to change the direction of this pump, like here. If you want to discharge, this way connects this way, and this check valve just move on this pump, and then here connects with a flexible pipe, and then connects with your storage tank. Then turn on this button to let the finished product comes out from here and comes out from here. Okay, so this is for this pump. And I also want to let you know this diaphragm pump. Material in and the upside is material out. So if you want to discharge your final product, then this part, just take this part out, and then here discharge valve connects with a flexible pipe and connects here. This part move out, and here connects with a flexible pipe, connects with a storage tank, then discharge. But if you want to let your material come into the tank from the bottom, you need to make sure the check valve is equipped with right position. Now this way is material out, this way. And here this way you need to connect with your raw material storage tank. Here connects with a flexible pipe. This is material in, right? And here is material out. And this check valve also needs to equip with the right position. This is the out, and here you need to connect with a flexible pipe, and then with here, and then your raw material will come in from here and comes out from here, then go into the tank. Okay, so this is for the diaphragm pump.